Hi, my name is Luther, creator of Gym Accurate Email Verifier. I'm here to show a demo about how to use this application. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see here, this is really not that good looking, but it is really accurate when it performs verification. Okay, so now what we need to do here is select the type of account that we want to verify. So right now, I want to just verify Gmail accounts, so just check on the checkbox here. And of course, we need some email list or set of emails that we can put into this application and verify them. Since I don't have one here on my hard drive, then I decided to download a free email list from this website. Okay, and then I already have downloaded the file here, and this is the actual list that I was able to download from that site. I'd like to apologize if you're seeing your email address here. My suggestion is just contact the website owner if you have some complaints about it, since this list can be seen in Google, so anyone can download this. Okay, so we just select some few emails to verify into the application. Okay, copy. Now back to the application. Let's create a temporary list file here. Now we already have our email list. Okay, there are two ways of putting email list into this application. It's either you can just copy the list and click this clipboard button, and or you can just click on file so that the application will let you locate the file and then load it. Okay, so right now let's choose um, loading it through clipboard. Okay, now the emails have been loaded now. We can start verifying, but by the way, if somehow it takes a while for the application to load all the emails, you don't need to wait for it to finish loading. You can click on start button right away. You can do that, but of course you won't be able to know the total amount of emails that it loaded. So let's start verifying now. As you have noticed, the text for the Gmail label became green, so it means that it's doing something, or it is verifying. Once it is finished verifying all the emails, it turns back to its default color, the same as with the other labels here. Okay, to make this video shorter, and I need to pause the recording. Okay, the verification is almost done. So from the 226 emails, we have 24 bad email addresses. Okay, operation completed. So it's done, and just take a look on this label here for the Gmail account. The text color just went back to its default. Okay, so it means it's done. So right here, all of these emails that are highlighted or selected with the color blue, these are the good emails, and these other emails here that are not selected are the bad email addresses, and they are the ones that are being copied over into this column here. So if you want to save these emails here, the good email addresses, then you can simply click on save and name it. The application automatically removes those bad email addresses and only save the good ones. Okay. You can also save this bad email addresses here in two ways. You can just double click, automatically these addresses get highlighted, and then just copy and paste it into any file you like, or you can just simply do the same routine as how we did it with the saving the good ones. Okay, just name it a different name. That's it. Okay, and if the same as if you want to verify specific account like Yahoo email addresses, you can just do the same routine, or maybe Microsoft, you can do the same as how we did it with the Gmail verification. Okay, so that's it. Now the next thing I want to show you is lets you see how the application verifies all of those supported email accounts. So let's start. Since we will be verifying all types of email accounts that this application supports, then meaning we need to click all three of these checkboxes. Okay, and we will be using the same list, which is this one. And right now we choose file, and again, you can either choose file or just paste the emails into the application by clicking on clipboard button. Sample list. Okay, now these are the emails. We got 2,931 source emails loaded. So it's a combination of Gmail, Yahoo, and Microsoft. So let's start verifying all of them. Okay, now the labels for all three accounts are now having the green color, so they're working on something. They're verifying. Okay, and once, for example, since Gmail here has the least number of emails that got loaded, if it is done with the verification, then it will restore its text color to its default. Okay, and you might be confused when looking at this left column here. It's because the application is simultaneously selecting each type of account, and it is verifying all types of account simultaneously, but the result is actually the same. It's just that it is much faster because you are verifying all types of email accounts in one single instance. However, if you don't like the way it actually does the selection of these emails here, if you are a little bit confused, you can simply, and you still want to verify all three types of accounts simultaneously, you can simply run another instance of the application and have it verify a specific type of account. It's the same. Okay. So right now, this is the partial list of bad email addresses that it verified. I guess now you know how to use this application. We don't need to wait for the verification process to finish. At least you already know how to use it. Okay, so I guess we're done here. Bye.